How to delete a YouTube search from your channel. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To delete a YouTube search, first you have to launch YouTube app on your device. Sign into your YouTube channel account where you want to delete a YouTube short video. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. You have to scroll down and select your videos option. From this section, you need to select Shorts at top right corner and you will see all the list of your Shorts video. Choose the particular YouTube short video that you want to delete. Tap three dots and now scroll down. From this menu bar, you will see multiple options including delete. Select delete button and if you are confirmed, tap on delete button because deleting content from YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. And once you have tapped delete, that particular YouTube short video will be permanently deleted from your channel. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.